Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. This time I'm going to introduce you this IBM technology YouTube channel. I watch this channel frequently and I wish you could find some useful insights from it, like me. So basically, this channel is already a big channel in YouTube, and it covers different topics like technology, AI, automation, cybersecurity, data science, DevOps, and so on. Recently, the topics kind of focus more on AI and machine learning, especially about the generative AI. But since IBM has been in the tech industry for a very, very long time, you are going to see some combination between the new tech like generative AI with some traditional topics like cybersecurity and so on. About AI, it offers content about machine learning, deep learning, large language model, AI security, prompt engineering, business application, AI ethics, and so on. I find this channel quite unique because it actually breaks down the generative AI concepts into small chunks, very manageable, and the experts can explain the concepts in a very short time window, like 10 to 20 minutes. So if you want to get a daily dose or quick dose of the generative AI knowledge, I think this channel is handy. The videos in this channel can be short, concise, and well organized. So not going to take you 1 hour, 2 hours time to dive into one topic. There are some playlists in this channel. Of course, you can check. Recently, I find that there are discussions about cybersecurity, identity authentication inside of the agentic workflow. Some channels which introduce you about the technology, how to train a model, how to post-train a model. You are going to see a lot of technical details, but it is less focused on the enterprise application layer. They always find some interesting topics like cybersecurity and the security loopholes, like the prompt injection attack, such kind of very unique topics. It would give you more perspective about the generative AI technology implementation. So it's not just about building a chatbot. When you actually build such products, especially in a enterprise setting, you would have to consider a lot of security issues. There are some latest videos in this channel, like the video about the context engineering and prompt engineering. It actually elaborates the difference between the two techniques very clearly. And also the penetration testing, just like I said, it has many experts who focus on the cybersecurity, AI security, so we are going to see some different perspectives about how to prevent the AI implementation risks. And also it discusses about new models like GPT-5 and also the cost of a data breach regarding AI. Also in this channel, you are going to see some podcasts, some other type of videos other than tutorials. About AI ethics and governance, it will always be here with any stage of the development of this technology about the generative AI. In a global point of view, some regions may let loose of these model developing companies in order to gain competitive edge to the other countries. In highly regulated regions like EU, you have to provide more information to the regulators than other regions. You have GDPR, data protection, which could impact some of the generative AI application or the startups. And also now we have the AI Act, could further require the model developing companies to provide more details. They could also impact the application layer. So I think AI ethics and governance could be in different level of requirement across the regions, but it is going to be here. In this channel, usually it will bring up such topics and allow you to have a comprehensive view about the different points like fairness, transparency, privacy, security, accountability. Of course, there is one more point I did not mention here is about interpretability. Especially now, most of the AI labs try to decipher the inner mechanisms of the large language models, but at this moment, there is not a definitive solution to actually explain the model like the traditional machine learning models. About the business value of AI content, I think in this channel, you are going to gain different insights about the generative AI technology and also, like I said, the traditional machine learning, traditional cybersecurity, traditional IT problems and solutions. It would kind of enhance your understanding of the technology from different perspectives. So I think it is very useful. I think one step further, learning AI, or more specifically generative AI, we can go from fundamentals to technical skills to implementation, then governance, then innovation. But we are going to see different interpretations about the learning journey from the frontier labs, from different YouTube channels, for sure. My personal understanding is that it really depends on which is your position. For example, if you are now a student, you may want to enhance the theoretical foundation of the technology from natural language processing to large language model and so on. But if you are an entrepreneur, you want to find a solution to your use case, find a solution to the problem you have. About the model layer, you need a certain technique to find the best model, find the best solution, so you can build up an app, build up your team quickly with the help of the different generative AI tools and so on. You do not always need to know many details about how to develop and pre-train the models, but more likely you need to know how to post-train a model, select a model, and then make the best of the models. Of course, if you are really tech-heavy or tech-native company, you need all the technical talents, theoretical talents to help you support your product. Uh, like the product like a Cursor, like Lovable. Their teams have very top-notch engineers and researchers to help them improve the product and keep the edge in the market. If we are just utilizing the generative AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini to help you do some market research, to get some answers, basically you need to know some high-level pros and cons, some issues about the hallucination, and how to better improve your productivity and help you resolve the daily issues. So if you are interested in any of the roles that you may take and how you can learn generative AI from that specific role, feel free to leave a comment and I can make some explanations to share with you in the future. Okay, I think that's it. I wish you like this video. This is another YouTube channel I want to introduce to you. I wish you find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and a comment. See you next time. Bye bye.